Okay, I wanted to show the ease of sharpening a VPA Terminator. This is a Terminator 125, brand new, fresh out of the package. And I want to show how easy it is to get these sharpened to a shaving sharp edge. I've heard recently that some people claim that getting a 30-degree blade angle or a steeper blade angle shaving sharp is impossible. And I wanted to debunk that myth. It's actually quite easy. This is a dual stick diamond honed in a brand new VPA Terminator 125. And you can see the hair just pops off my arm rather easily.